So very good evening, all of you. Today again we are here with new session, new class. After all, we are meeting every week, I think, right? After a week, we are meeting, right? So it's a very means I don't.
Yes, sir. Every week also we are meeting.
Okay, I miss you a lot actually. Why do you know? You all are very amazing and you are very responsive and you understand the things very quickly. That is why I miss you a lot throughout the week. But as soon as I find that today is Wednesday, so I just love to join the class quickly and I just want to come to you to take the new class. Okay, it is totally your class, and whatever the problems you persist, please ask me at any time, at any point of time. I would definitely be helping you out. Are you getting the point? Okay, so latest on the last so in last video or last session, what did we learn? Let me share the screen with you. Okay,
Nouns.
Sir, will you share that slide, sir, which you show now?
yes beta, I will be sharing all. Okay,
Sir, in the WhatsApp you will share.
I will be sharing the slides with you all, but after completion of, okay, the topic, particular topic. Got it?
Okay, sir.
कौन है? बताओ तो सही.
So we yesterday did nouns. So you're on mute.
See, what we had learned there. That time we had learned in that class nouns, right? How many nouns are there? How the types? What is the noun we had seen there? That the naming word is called as noun, and the name is given to person, place, or thing, or animal as well. Okay, we had seen that. Then after we had seen what are the types of the nouns. Okay, like proper noun, particular name is called as proper noun. Common noun, which is used for both male or female. Okay, collective noun, where it shows or it depicts the group of people, group of animals, or group of something. Okay, that is called collective noun. Countable nouns, which can be counted and they are singular. Okay, singular and plural, maybe like book and books. Okay, people, peoples. Okay, students, students. These are countable nouns which can be used as singular as well as plural. Are you listening to me, Karthik?
Yes, sir.
Varshit, listen to
Yes,
me very
sir.
carefully. Uncountable nouns which cannot be counted, but if they are not counted, so what can we do with it? We can do that. We can measure them. Okay, with some volume. Got it? They are measurable. Okay, they are to be measured. Got it? Like milk, water, sugar, wheat. Okay, they are measurable. Material nouns like concrete nouns, we may say, where the material nouns refer to materials or substances from which things are made, such as gold, silver, okay, iron, copper, wood. These are the material nouns. What are these? Material nouns. Got it? Okay.
Yes.
Concrete nouns. Who did
Sir.
not understand there? Varshit, I think.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Varshit, see the definition properly, beta. Here, a concrete noun is a name for something which is tangible. It means touchable.
Touchable.
Okay, this is noun. This noun is called concrete noun because nouns in this class can be touched, seen, felt. Okay, it can be identified through one of the 5 senses that we use in our body. Got it?
Got it.
Yeah. Yes,
Yes,
one
sir.
doubt. Vinil, you have a doubt?
Sir,
Beta.
one test came no sir on Sunday.
Huh?
On Sunday test came, sir, English test. In that they gave 5 nouns there. Then only 2 options are there, A and B.
Actually, it was not an option, means like MCQs. Actually, it was a descriptive. But if I have to put that test, okay, so I have to give that option. Got it? So we are not here now to discuss about the test, but we are here to go further, okay, for the next class. Got it?
Sir, in the last class, you gave the homework to write about each noun 5 sentences, right, sir?
I will come to that later on. But
Okay,
we will first of all start our next lesson of grammar, and that is pronoun. What is that? Pronoun. As the name is suggesting, pro and second is noun. Means something which comes before noun. Okay, or which is used in place of noun. Pro means to be replaced. You might have heard the models of the cell phones, that this is pro version of mobile. Have you heard any pro version?
yes, sir.
Like Apple, Vivo, like such things are there. Oh, sorry, such mobiles are there which are having pro version. So pro version is something which has been replaced by another technology. The last version is being replaced by the another technology, that is called pro. So here the word which takes place instead of noun, that is called pronoun. What is it called? Pronoun. Okay. Suppose noun is used as Ram. Ram is a proper noun. What is it? A proper noun. But if I don't want to use this proper noun, so I would first of all identify the gender. Which gender is this? Masculine gender. Okay. And this refers to male. And for male, I have a pronoun, and that is he. Okay. For example, suppose I write here, Ram is a good boy. Ram is a good boy. He respects his elders. So see, Ram is used as a proper noun here, and he is replaced, or sorry, Ram is replaced with he. In the next sentence, I did not use Ram. Have you got? What did I use there?
Sir, you used he.
He. Instead of Ram, I used he there. And so this he will be considered, or is considered as pronoun, as it is replaced, or it replaces the proper noun.
Sir, a small doubt, sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, in the above sentence, you wrote that he respects others, right, sir? So if you add another sentence like he gets good marks in exams, then also we will use he only.
Definitely. He is a good boy, and in this concern, you may say that he is a very bright student in the class. Okay, he gets always first rank, okay, in the class. Such kind of sentences you can make. Got it?
Got it.
Understood? Okay. Shall we go further? So let us understand first of all what the pronoun is and its types. Okay, pronouns and its types. Got it? What is pronoun? Pronoun are words, or pronouns are words that can be used to take the place of a noun. In other words, pronouns are the words which are used in
Sir, which
place,
are used to replace a noun.
In place of noun to avoid its repetition. Understood? Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
avoid the repetition of the noun in the sentence, what do we use? We use pronoun. Got it? For example, we have many pronouns. Like, can you see on the screen? There? Yes, you can see properly.
Yes, sir.
See, he, she, it, I, we, you, we, they, me, him, her, us, them, mine, yours, your, his, her, my, our, their, etc. These are called the pronouns. Now, with the pictures, you will come to know what these are. Means he, it is a singular one. Singular noun or pronoun, and it refers to what? Male. She is also singular. And what does it refer?
Female.
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 It is also singular, but it refers a thing. They is a third person pronoun, but it is a plural pronoun. Okay, plural, and it refers to more than one. More than one. We is a first person pronoun which is in plural number. Okay, and it refers to more than one speaker. More than one speaker. Have you got it, beta? Huh? Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Have you got with it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Another pronoun, that is you. You is used as plural as well as singular pronoun. Okay, you. Suppose one speaker, or we may say that the listener. Listener of the sentence is called the recipient or the second person pronoun, and that is you. It may be used as plural as well as singular. For example, why did I say
How
that?
can it be used, sir? You for both singular and plural.
See, very shit. That was I about to told you. Okay, like you alone. Suppose, Varshit, listen to me. Suppose I am talking to you. Okay,
Yes.
it means you are alone sitting there. Still, I am using you for you, right?
Yes,
But
sir.
you all are sitting together. Like Karthik is sitting together with you. Vinil is sitting with you. Hari is sitting over there. Okay, okay. All you are sitting together, but still I am using you. Means if the listener is one, then also we use you, and if the listeners are more than one, still we will use you. Got it?
Got it.
Have you got it?
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So
Yes.
you is considered as both singular and plural pronoun. Have you
Sir,
got?
we
Yes.
can also use guys.
Huh?
We can also use guys.
Yes. Guys is something informal way of talking, right?
Yes.
It is not a formal way to talk, isn't it? I, as you know, I is a speaker, and
First
it is a speaker, first person pronoun, singular. Okay, it is a singular number subject, and it refers to whom? The speaker. Okay,
Sir, during I, the speaker will be listener also, right?
when
During I, sir, using when we are using I.
whenever you are a single person there and you are talking to yourself, then only I would be a listener. Okay, but at that time we do not consider that it is a two-way communication. Whenever there is a two-way communication, then only the speaker and the listener would be involved in the process. Have you got?
Yes, sir.
When the listener and the speaker is involved there, whenever there is a two-way communication, it is called a two-way communication. Okay, not one way.
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So I is a singular person pronoun which works as a speaker. R, it is a possession pronoun. R means this class is R. Okay, so it is a possession. His singular, her singular, your plural as well as singular. For example, this is Varshit's class, or if I'm telling Varshit that this is your class, and suppose I'm telling you all together, then also I will use your class. Got it? I would not change any pronoun there. Them, it is also a pronoun which is used for the third person. Okay, but they must be in more numbers. Them or they. There, it is a possession pronoun. Sorry, possessive pronoun. Okay, like this bungalow belong to their grandpa. Okay, there in the sense there may be two sibling. Okay, and we are talking about their grandpa. So we are talking about the bungalow which belongs to their grandfather. Have you got it? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Now let us understand how many types are there of pronouns. How many types are there? Can you read it for me?
So there are 8 types.
Yes. Personal pronoun, possessive pronoun,
Reflexive pronoun, reciprocal pronouns, relative pronouns, demonstrative pronouns, interrogative pronouns, indefinite pronouns.
indefinite pronouns. Very nice. Okay, so in total there are 8 types of pronouns, and we are going to study one by one of these pronouns. Understood? So first of all, we will learn about personal pronouns, which are personal, and they are used in regard of human being mostly. Okay, like what are personal pronouns? Personal pronouns are those that refer to people, places, things, and ideas directly. They are used directly. How? Personal pronouns can be divided up into two major categories, like subject pronouns and object pronouns. Okay, means for I, it is a subject. So for object pronoun, what would be its object pronoun? Me. I will give you the example as well. Okay, later on here. We, us, you is a pronoun, the only pronoun which carries the same objective pronoun there, or object pronoun there. Okay, he, him, she, her, it, them, or they, them. Got it? Okay, these are the subject pronouns and these are the object pronouns. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
A personal pronoun describes a person or a thing in the following ways. How? See, personal pronouns are being divided into 3 types again. How? First person pronoun, which is especially the person who speaks, that person is known as the first person. The speaker of the sentence is considered as the first person pronoun, and there are 2 subject pronouns, I and we. Suppose I'm alone talking to someone or speaking to someone, so I will be used. Suppose we both are talking to someone, so that then we will use we as the subject. Got it? Second person pronoun, especially second person pronoun is you always. Okay, and generally he is the person who listens to the speaker. Have you got it, beta?
Yes, sir.
What is first person pronoun? How many first person
It's
pronouns
the
are there?
listener. It's the only one.
No, there are 2, na? See
You
there?
and your.
No, I asked about first person pronoun.
First person pronoun. I, we, me, and us. It's talking about like us.
These
Like
are subject pronouns and these are object pronouns which belong to first person pronoun. Who is second person pronoun then?
you.
You. Whether it is used for one person or more than one person, it does not matter. Got it? Third person pronoun, person or a thing which is spoken about. Suppose we are speaking about some other people or other students, so they would be third person. And we means, suppose I am speaking, you are listening, so I am the speaker, you are the listener, and about whom we are talking, they are the, what will be those people? They would be third person pronoun. Okay, about whom we are talking. Got it?
Sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now just have a look at this table. What is given here? What can you find here? Can you tell me, please?
So we can find the chart that separates singular with plural.
This is numbers. These are person and personal pronouns, which are categorized as subjects as well as objects. Got it? So for first person pronoun, I, it is a subject pronoun, and me is an object of I. Second person pronoun is you, where you is considered as singular one. Okay, and he is the listener of the sentence. Third person pronoun, where the subjects are singular, he, she, and it. Their objects are him, her, and it. See, it is having the similar object. Have you got? You is having the similar object. Did you find it? Okay. Another plural subjects. Plural first person is we, and its object case is us. Plural second person is you, as we have discussed early, that you is used for a singular as well as plural listeners. Third person plural pronoun is they, and its objective case is them. Got it? Have you got?
Sir, means that if we use both subjective or objective, we can use any of them. They will give the same meaning.
No, they would not give the same meaning actually. If they are used in the objective case, so they are not active in the sentence. But if we are using the subject as subject, so they are active in the action. Very good question, Varshit. Now see, one example I will be giving here, and from that you will come to know how they are different. So they are playing in the garden. Have you got this? So they
Yes,
is used here as third person plural pronoun. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Second sentence. The gardener restricted them, or not restricted, but one another word I will use here. Prohibited them to play in the garden. What is the difference? Who is active here? The gardener.
Sir, in the second
Gardener.
sentence, gardener.
The second sentence, the active speaker or the action which is done by the subject, that person is the gardener. Okay, and to whom he prohibited them. So them is objective case where they are not involved in the action, but in the first sentence they are involved in the action as they are playing in the garden. Okay, who are playing?
Sir, they.
So generally subject gives the answer of who. Actually the subject answers which question? Who is speaking, and the object generally answers to whom. Have you got? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, this is the difference over there. So we can't say that using both subjective case and objective case in the sentence are having same meaning or same things which are done over there by them. Okay, this is not the case over. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Just take example of these all. What is this? He wants to buy a new cycle. So who is involved in the action? He is involved in it. Okay, so he is active speaker. Sorry, he is active pronoun there, which is involved in the action. Who is the doer of the action? In the simple words, we will say about this subject. So subject is the doer of the action. Have you got it? She is very beautiful. It is very hot today. You are my best friend. They are going to a market. We will purchase a new dress today. Her name is Mary. Tina gave me a letter. Rita and Tina will go with us today. Jerry and Tom want to play with them. Got it? Them is used, us is used, me is used. So wherever they are used with the subjects which are belonging to proper nouns. Okay, as they are used in the objective case. Understood? Means they are the objects of these sentences. Got it? And whatever these bold letters, letters are written over here, or the bold pronouns are written over here, they are placed in the subject place. Okay, they are placed in the subject, and that is why they are the subject of the sentence. Got it? But they are the pronouns. What are those pronouns?
Sir, in the last sentence, sir, Jerry and Tom want to play with them. So in that we can write like they want to play with them, like that also we can write.
Vice versa you can write. They want to play with Jerry and Tom. Okay, that
No,
could be a
not
sentence.
like that, sir. They want to play with them.
They want to play with them. Yes, you may use that. That will also do. Okay, there is nothing. But if you are writing like they want to play with them, so these them would be other people,
Yes, sir.
and this they would be different, okay, from them.
Okay, sir.
Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Now let us go to another slide and another type of pronoun, that is possessive pronoun. What is that? Possessive pronoun. Can anyone, Vinil, can you read for me what the definition is given for that?
Yes, sir. A possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership.
Suppose through which are you attending the class now? Through what are you attending the class? Through phone or laptop or desktop? What?
Tab.
Tab. You are using tab. So to whom does it belong to?
Mine only.
So you would say that this tab is mine. This tab is mine. Or this is my tab. Have you got? Understood? So that it is showing the possession, that something belongs to me or someone else. Have you got it? Means
Yes.
wherever
Sir,
you
for
are.
example, if a laptop belongs to me and my sister, how can we write that? Sir, if
Suppose the laptop is belonging to you and your sister.
Yes, sir.
So you would say that this laptop belongs to us.
Okay, sir.
Have you got? Or this is our laptop. This is our laptop. Have you got it?
Yes, sir. Or we can write this laptop belongs to me and my sister.
Belongs to me or my sister. Yes, you may write this also. Okay. But this is an informal way of writing the sentence like.
Okay.
The correct way is this laptop is ours. Got it?
Yes, sir.
This laptop is ours. But if you want to convey someone very clearly, so you would not get ours means who. Okay. So you'd have to specify by telling like this laptop belongs to me and my sister. So it would be a clear picture before that listener. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it belongs to me and my sister. Like, so a possessive pronoun, Vinyl has read it clearly. Like possessive pronoun is a pronoun that is used to indicate possession or ownership. Means belongings. Suppose this stylus is mine. Understood? This stylus is mine. See, there are possessive adjectives as well. Do you know what possessive adjectives are? So let me write here possessive adjectives as well. For his possessive adjective is same. Yours, your, mine, my, ours, our, theirs, their. Okay, hers, her. These are whatever I have written over here. These are called as possessive adjectives. And these possessive adjectives may act like subjects. These possessive adjectives may act as subject in the sentence. Have you got it? Now I will tell you one example. See, possessive pronouns are like his, yours, hers, mine, ours, theirs, etc. Okay. Now one thing you would find here that is that is not a strange one, but it is considerable thing. That possessive pronouns are always used at the end of the sentence. Can you find here? Yes, they are used at the end of the sentence. What are used? Possessive pronouns. Now, possessive adjectives can be used as subject as well as object like. Okay. For example, our teacher teaches English grammar to us. Okay. Us is objective case, but our is here possessive pronoun. Whose teacher? Our teacher.
Our teacher.
Not our, it is our. Yes, it is our teacher. Okay, Vinil? Pronounce it once.
Or.
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 Or. Yes, like. Okay. Not our. Got it? Yes, Varshit. Who are talking to? Who are you talking to?
Sir, mother, sir.
Your mother? Very good. So listen to me carefully here that our is a possessive adjective here. And what is its possessive pronoun? Its possessive pronoun is ours. As I have written in these circles, like I have circled all the possessive adjectives where they see another identification of possessive pronoun is it carries s with it. Can you see there? Like ours, theirs, hers, yours. But in another cases like his and mine, we do not use s at its end. Okay, got it? Is there any confusion till now?
No, sir.
Another type of the pronoun is reflexive pronoun. See,
the last word will be self, sir.
The
last word will be self or selves.
That I'm going to explain here. Very simple identification of these nouns, pronouns are these pronouns actually they are suffix with self or selves. Actually, self refers to singular, subject, and selves refers to plural subject or plural pronoun, we may say plural pronoun. Like, okay, let us understand this first. So reflexive pronouns are words ending in self or selves that are used when the subject and the object of a sentence are the same. When the subject and the object of the sentence are same, in this case we use reflexive pronoun. Like they are used after certain verbs when the subject and verb are the same person. Not verb, object. Okay, are the same person. What are those reflexive pronouns? Myself, yourself, himself, herself, oneself, itself, ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. As you may see here. If suppose the
Sir, how
subject
do
is
we
I,
identify? How do we identify that we need to write self or self?
that is I'm telling you, suppose the subject is referring to a singular noun or singular number, then you will use self. Suppose the subject is referring to the plural number or plural pronoun, so you would use selves. Have you got?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Like I is a singular subject, so we will use myself. You, if it is singular, so you will use yourself. He, himself, she, herself, it, itself, one, oneself, we, ourself. Okay, but it is written like wrong here. Ourself is not the word over here. Ourself actually is not existing in grammar. It is ourselves. Okay, it is ourselves. You, yourself. Again, here it is written yourself. That is not the correct one over here. It must be yourselves if you are using it as plural. Understood? They, themselves. Got it? Themselves belong to they, yourselves belong to you, ourselves belong to we, oneself is belonging to one, itself, it, herself, she, himself, he, yourself, you, and myself, I. Okay, examples are given over here. Just look, have a look. I brush my teeth and stare at myself in the mirror. Myself. He bought himself a new dress. Take care of yourself. She didn't want to talk about herself anyway. Can you read another sentences for me? Yes, who is left? Hari. Hari is there. Who is Hari, beta? Please turn on your video. Om has joined the class recently. Hari, yes, beta. What's your name?
Hariharan.
Hariharan. Can you read the rest of the sentences for me?
Sir.
Read properly.
The wooden helmet itself.
Huh?
Sir,
Huh?
the wooden helmet.
The wound. It is wound. The wound healed itself quickly. Another sentence.
Sir, can you please zoom it, sir?
Huh?
Can you please zoom it?
Another sentence.
Nancy and Doris collected the sticks themselves.
Very good.
My sister and I looked at ourselves in the mirror.
In the mirror. Very good.
It is not a good to think only on oneself.
It is not good to think only of oneself. Have you got it?
Yes.
Yes. This is something that I want to make you to read. And reading is a good habit. You should always be in the habit. Understood? Have you got it? This Om was there, so he again left. Who was Om? Triple M. I heard about triple R. Now triple M has joined us. Who is this? Please turn on the video. Triple M. Okay, let it be. Okay, so in this way, we have learned the 3 types of pronouns today: reflexive pronouns, possessive pronouns, and personal pronouns. Is there any difficulty, beta, that you found over there, that this portion is a difficult one that you should ask at the end of the class? Yes, Varshit, is there any doubt?
No, sir. No doubt.
Okay, Hariharan.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, Vinil, is there any problem,
No
beta?
doubts. No doubt.
Karthik?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No doubt. Okay, so this the last slide and this slide I'm going to share with you in the Wise app. Okay, in the resources you will find it. Okay, under the tab under the heading of resources, you will find these notes over there. Have you got it, beta?
Sir, that nouns also you will share.
Huh?
Last chapter nouns also you will share it.
Yes, I will be sharing both these
Okay.
pronouns. Actually, we have not completed with all the pronouns here, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Another class, whenever I will be taking that class, in that class, I will be completing the rest of the pronouns which are left over there. Understood? Now, this is the these are only the pronouns that we have learned today, and I want you all to go through the slides properly and try to understand what the things are given over there about the pronouns. Have you got? This is your homework beta today. Okay.
Yes, okay, sir. But sir, means that we will have these 3 pronouns for the exam, sir, on Sunday.
Yes, these 3 pronouns would be there in the exam. Got it?
Yes, sir. And the last exam, sir, you did not give any results, sir.
Isn't any result? Okay, I'll be sharing the result as well. Okay, with you.
Okay.